Why does smoking improve ulcerative colitis? This is very important concept and USMLE frequently tests this. But before I start explaining, I will ask a simple question. What are the two types of inflammatory bowel disease and which part or which segment of the bowel wall each one of these affect? Because anatomic difference explains a lot here. So I will answer. There are two types of inflammatory bowel disease: ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. In ulcerative colitis, inflammation is limited only to the colon and to the superficial layers of the bowel wall, including mucosa and submucosa. Whereas in Crohn's disease, inflammation is transmural and it involves the entire thickness of the bowel wall. And secondly, it can affect any part of the bowel, starting from mouth to anus. But why smoking improves this sort of inflammation and lesions in ulcerative colitis? This is where the smoking and the role of nicotine kicks in. Nicotine in smoke actually stimulates mucus production in the bowel wall, and this mucus in the mucosa and submucosal layers of the colon in patients with ulcerative colitis acts as a barrier, and this mucus basically coats the bowel wall affected segments and acts as a barrier from the luminal contents. Luminal contents cannot act directly on the damaged or affected sites on the bowel wall because of that extra mucus produced by the nicotine. So, this way. Secondly, nicotine itself has anti inflammatory properties and it reduces cytokine production and it dampens the immune response. Whereas in Crohn's disease, this effect of the nicotine is not helpful, rather, it increases the disease severity. Why? Because in Crohn's disease, the inflammation is transmural and there is deeper level of immune dysregulation, and nicotine cannot help it, and it actually increases the frequency of Crohn's flares as well as the need for surgery. So nicotine is not that much effective or that much protective in case of Crohn's disease. Rather, and USMLE tests this, that there will be a scenario about a patient who has inflammatory bowel disease and he smokes, and now the question stem will ask about the disease course or prognosis. And if the patient has ulcerative colitis, obviously smoking is protective and it reduces the disease flares, whereas in Crohn's disease, smoking actually with smoking actually everything gets worse. So this is very important. So you should keep it in mind that despite its beneficial effect, we do not advocate that patients should start smoking, patients with ulcerative colitis, because the health risks, cardiovascular as well as cancer risks of nicotine and smoking far outweigh its beneficial effects on the gastrointestinal tract. And recent studies about nicotine patches, however, reflect that nicotine patches can be used as adjunctive therapy, and I have just explained why, because of its beneficial effect in patients with ulcerative colitis.